Mayo kini na yo.
Bakit? Tinagbat ng Iris.
Di pala garod impisok jikwa, di may sanga ulo ti.
Uy, amoy kaslo tinapaya.
Is it safe to eat though?
Yeah. Mabuting kaya? Mabuting kaya? Are you afraid to eat? My
No, I eat.
Alam, mabuting naman. Ayan.
Is it safe to eat ka no?
I didn't think so.
Kasi na pinabot kita dapat Amerikano nga sili na.
Wrong potatoes, huh?
Apet adumot ti karnina
Where'd the okra come from?
Ala, Iris, mabilbilang mo deto eh. Natang...
Where's the eggplant? No more eggplant.
There is one eggplant there. Birukim ah.
Na dati pinabot mo.
Birukim. You know the
The bitter melon.
yeah, the bitter melon and the kabatiti and the eggplant equals zucchini. That's what it is.
Kam ni nagoyong name.
Jerome, you never even cut him up.